In our new demo video, we'll showcase Quillie's Campaign Examples feature. This is one of the key features within the solution that allows it to learn from your specific campaign performance. Here, I'm demonstrating a YouTube video campaign that gathered a good number of views for us once we launched it, and I'll add it manually into the solution. Quillie will continue to use this information to optimize future YouTube video campaigns using the content strategy utilized within this ones. Once your campaign examples are added, you can view, edit, or delete them. We also have a bulk import functionality supported by a pre-built CSV template with a step-by-step user guide where you can add multiple examples of successful campaigns that have performed well for your brand. We will shortly introduce an automated campaign performance feature which ingests campaign data and provides insight across multiple channels. This data is then used by Quillie to further optimize the generation of your marketing strategy towards a particular campaign performance metric, such as opens, click-throughs, or views. Watch this space for more.